This is Last Tissue, the modern take on the handkerchief, and replaces up to 2,800 single-use tissues. The average American uses more than 500 facial tissues per year. To make that, 8 million trees have to be cut down and 9 billion gallons of water will be contaminated in the process. Last Tissue is the environmentally friendly alternative to single-use facial tissues. Next time you need a new one, simply grab a new one from the bottom. And a new one. When all 6 handkerchiefs have been used, you'll notice the marked one emerging. Simply wash them and start all over again. It comes in different colors, so you know which one's yours. It's sanitary and easy to clean. So let's bring back the handkerchief for when life is sad. When you're going on a date, getting married, or for messy.
Your Honor, clearly these legal pads should be illegal pads.
It's like the worst style combining with the best way to waste paper.
I object to single-use notepads! Sustain! More like sustainability.
We're from ROCKETBOOK and we make notebooks from the future.
At ROCKETBOOK, we've been making reusable notebooks for years. We've shipped millions to professionals and students around the world while saving countless trees. We're pretty happy with a best-selling notebook. But we came all the way from the future and space to rescue all natural writing surfaces. And there is just something about the simplicity of notepads that we love. So, we spent 9 months in our lab creating a brand new product that preserved the simplicity of a notepad but was endlessly reusable and endlessly awesome. This is the ROCKETBOOK Orbit, and it flips the page to the digital age. The Orbit uses ROCKETBOOK technology, which allows you to write, scan, erase, and reuse your notes like other ROCKETBOOK notebooks. But with the Orbit, you can also flip, flop, and swap your pages out whenever you want. Here's how it works. Write on the pages using any pen from the Pilot Friction line. Friction ink firmly bonds to the pages in seconds, but with a little water, wipes away like magic. So you can use the pages over and over and over. Orbit page packs snap into the binding using magnetic force, so you can flip to the next page and keep things tidy. Or reverse the page pack over to switch from lines to dot grid. You can even swap in a whole new page pack so you always have the right pages for the right job. With multiple page packs and patterns to choose from, it's like magic making for your note-taking. The ROCKETBOOK Orbit also works with the ROCKETBOOK app in an amazing new way. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can instantly blast them online to your favorite cloud services, perfectly organized and named the way you want. On the top of each Orbit page is a title bar, which the app sees and translates your handwriting into the file name. And on the bottom of each page are 7 symbols, which you can configure in the ROCKETBOOK app. You can assign each symbol to a location within Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, or many more services. So you can name your algebra notes and send it right to your math folder on Google Drive. Or name your meeting notes and blast them right to your shared team folder on Dropbox. Launch your next big idea with a blank sheet. With the Orbit, you can flip the page to the digital age. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's ROCKETBOOK.
Mankind has always been fascinated our designers have sought out to give you just that. Let us introduce you to our Sega timepiece, the watch with nothing to hide and everything to see. The Sega Design watch allows you to see time in motion. Featuring a fully hollow design, the craftsmanship and complexity of the piece lives in full spectacle. The transparent backplate glimpses further into the handcrafted beauty and dedication of the design team. Now look and listen to the mechanical heartbeat. We wanted not only the aesthetics to be a departure from the norm, but also the mechanics. We employ a custom-made Seagull AAA mechanical movement to drive the watch, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries. Reliable and accurate, your daily physical motion will keep you on time to all occasions. Showcasing this intricacy requires significant protection, and our Grade 2 titanium casing does it beautifully. It's 40% stronger, 30% lighter, and way more distinctive than the stainless steel as a standard choice for other watchmakers. Over top of it all, the Sega watch uses a curvaceous 1.2mm hyperbolide synthetic sapphire. With a hardness rating just below diamonds, this watch is effectively scratch resistant. It will fully meet the daily needs of regular users, and its compliance with the 3 ATM waterproof standards means that splashes and rain won't stop time. The strap is every bit as important as the watch face to express who you are. We've adopted a 3D silicone design, adding a breath of youthfulness to a mature timepiece. Sophisticated but not old-fashioned, the food-grade silicone band minimizes impact to your skin, so you can wear it with ultimate comfort. If the occasion calls for something different, a quick change lock-tight spring bar lets you alter your look to leather in no time. We invite you to wear the watch as intricate as you. Sega, for those who demand